Generally speaking, scalable innovations find sources of funding not from loans, but from investment. So the investors are putting in some money into the company in the hopes that after waiting for 5 years, 7 years, there will be an acquisition of the company, or the company will go public, in which case they'll get a lump sum back in return for their investment. But for completeness purposes, we will talk a little bit about loans and the logic behind the financial logic behind loans. So let's assume that you borrowed $100,000 with a 5-year loan or 60-month loan at a 4.5% interest rate. Now let's put yourself in the shoes of the entity that's making the loan out to you, giving you the $100,000. Now through one of these online calculators, you can immediately calculate that you need to make monthly payments of $1,864 each month for a period of 60 months. So if you were making the loan, what you're thinking about is this business easily going to generate $1,864 of so-called free cash so that they can service the loan? If it doesn't look likely that you'll be able to make these monthly payments through the use of this $100,000 loan, I probably won't make you the loan. But if you can convince me through some projections that you're going to have, $5,000 available in free cash each month, then I may be willing to make this loan out to you. But a typical bank, not only this calculation of whether the loan is serviceable, will also look at and ask for some type of collateral. So if you default on the loan, how am I going to make my money back? Are your parents going to co-sign this loan so that if you default, I go to them and get my money back? But this is the logic behind the loan. Serviceability of the loan. By serviceability, we mean, is the company going to be able to generate this much cash easily? But the reason why I say easily is, if you're projecting $1,900 of free cash each month, you're just on the edge, and I'm not going to feel very comfortable as a entity that's making out the loan. So loans, as we mentioned, are not typically used. There are some cases where for covering operating expenses, you may take out a loan as opposed to an investment. But I think in terms of new innovations, the cons outweigh the pros in terms of both availability and the ability to generate cash right away. For small mom and pop lifestyle type companies, sometimes loans might be appropriate, but this is outside of the type of innovations and ventures that we have in mind in this series of courses.